the steam focused on the lower seam. This fissure runs deeper than we thought, right under the back.
This is command. Begin main lift sequence on the Thresher. Repeat, begin main lift. Final descent parameters steady. Contact.
The USS Thresher, once the pinnacle of naval engineering, now lies entombed. Decades, the USS Thresher remains a frozen relic of the Cold War, resting far below the surface.
Tension steady at 2000.
Confirmed. Maintain present depth.
Keep the steam focused on the lower seam. We need to clear that section by 1400 hours.
Roger that. Moving to the seam.
Lower the boom. Clear the immediate area.
Watch the steam vent.
Thresher Command, this is Sonar Team. We have a confirmed location on the hull. Depth checks out.
Roger that.
The scan shows significant structural degradation on the sail. Over.
All teams, this is Command. Begin main lift sequence on the Thresher. Repeat, begin main lift.
Sonar confirms hull integrity at the stern section. We have a solid contact patch.
Control, we are at maximum tension. We have movement on the hull.
Confirmed. Maintain tension, slow ascent.
Control. Cable tension on 593 is
Keep
holding.
the pressure steady. Watch the starboard side, she's listing slightly. We need more tension on the forward lift.
All stations, tighten starboard cables. Watch for structural fatigue.
Roger that. The Thresher is shifting slightly. Maintain tension.
Final descent parameters steady. Contact confirmed on Cradle 1, shifting weight.
The USS Thresher represents a pivotal, albeit tragic, moment in Cold War submarine.
Copy that, initiating scan.
The Thresher's hull plates show the deep scars of both corrosion and extensive ice damage. This restoration...
As you can see, the ice damage near the forward section caused significant buckling. This stress fracture runs deep.
This pitting is worse than we thought. We have to follow the yellow line precisely.
Agreed. The structural integrity here is compromised. We'll start the cuts tomorrow.
Lower the panel 5 centimeters, starboard side.
Copy that. Adjusting descent. Watch the leading edge clearance.
The USS Thresher represents a critical chapter in naval history. Restoring her hull requires addressing severe corrosion. Severe corrosion plagues the hull, necessitating
The meticulous restoration of the USS Thresher's internal compartments highlights the complexity of these Cold War-era precision.
The restoration effort focuses on these compartments, painstakingly documenting every valve and frame before the deep dive into history.
Watch that gasket on the lower flange. Okay, the alignment looks good on this flange. How are we looking on the pressure test for the valve assembly?
Double check the torque on that main coolant flange, Larry.
Already done, sir. The new insulation panels are secure.
All right, easy now. Watch that gasket on.
This section of the Thresher's frame is holding up well. Make sure the labeling matches the 1960 schematics exactly.
Confirmed. The laser scan shows perfect alignment with the schematic.
Looks good here, steady at 12 mils.
All right. Check the seam right above the cradle mount again. We had a fluctuation yesterday.
Preservation of the USS Thresher is paramount. Here we see the application of the specialized
The 593 designation here matches the archival photos precisely.
Confirm.
explanation name of the phrase, throw your shout.